Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Belkin SoundForm headphones with your Windows PC. Open the case and remove left and the right earbud. Now just hold them like that and wait until this one starts blinking blue and white. Then you have to open this system settings. Click on the Bluetooth and devices. Click to add device. Select the Bluetooth device. Now just wait until they pops on the list. Select your Belkin SoundForm Buds and click done. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.